I used to think power came from more air, more volume, and effort, and with that came vocal strain and a forced tone until I learned these 5 simple yet powerful exercises. We'll cover breath support, chest voice strength, forward resonance, and 2 secret vocal exercises that will give you an instant power boost with no extra effort. Hi, I'm Ian. I've taught thousands of singing lessons, and by the end of this video, you'll not only feel more powerful, you'll understand why it's working and how to keep building from here with a daily vocal power workout. When people think powerful voice, they picture someone belting it out and rattling the walls, right? But here's the truth. Real power doesn't come from pushing. It comes from coordination, how your breath, vocal folds, and resonance work together. And when they don't work together, that's when you feel stuck, strained, or breathy. Now let's fix that. We're going to start at the source, your breath. When I was a beginner singer, I used to breathe like this. Shallow and high, when we actually need to do this. Low and wide. Now I want you to breathe in through your nose and let your belly and lower ribs expand like an umbrella. And don't let your shoulders rise. Put your hands just under your ribs. You should feel expansion sideways. Next, exhale on 4 short tss sounds, followed by a steady hiss for 10 seconds, while keeping your ribs expanded. This activates breath support, also called a podjaw, which you can learn about more up here. All right, let's try it together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, tss, 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 tss. Now think of this as turning your breath into pressurized air, like a tank powering a fire hose. This is your vocal fuel. You can do all the exercises in the world, but if you neglect breath support, you will limit your potential. Next, let's build the foundation of a powerful voice. Chest voice. Say, "G'day," like you're trying to get someone's attention across the room or the internet. "G'day, g'day, g'day, I'm Ian." Okay, now try singing a short note pattern on ga, like this. Ga, 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 ga. Now try it with me in a comfortable speaking range. It's important that you don't take chest voice too high, as it can cause issues later on with higher notes. The goal of the exercise is to experience a full, powerful tone. Place your hand on your chest and sing with me. 2, 3, 4. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Feel that vibration in your chest? That's your power source. This is not about yelling. It's about connecting your speaking voice to your singing voice with support. Now, if you want a free guided MP3 version of the exercises in this video, click on the link below. Okay, let's add cutting power with something called twang. This is how singers get that bright, powerful edge to their voice without shouting. Say this, "Nyah, nyah, nyah," like a bratty cartoon villain. Nyah, heh, heh, heh. Now, sing it on a 5-3-1 scale like this. Nyah, nyah, nyah. This narrows part of your throat for a frequency boost. You'll sound louder without actually getting louder. Let's try a few together. 2, 3, 4. Nyah, nyah, nyah. 3, 4. Nyah, nyah, nyah. 2, 3, 4. Nyah, nyah, nyah. 2, 3, 4. Nyah, nyah, nyah. Twang equals acoustic leverage. You get more voice for less effort. Do you ever hear a singer cut through a loud band, even without sounding like they're trying? Well, you're hearing the Singers Formant. And, well, what is that? It's a special boost around the 2.5 to 3.5 kilohertz, a resonant ring that makes your voice carry. Opera singers rely on it. Rock singers use a version of it too. All right, let's do an exercise together. Start on an NG hum. Now you feel that face buzz. Now open into an R without losing the buzz. Ah. You're learning to tune your resonance so your voice rings without needing more volume. That's the secret pros know. And now, so do you. Okay, let's bring everything together, support, resonance, twang, and vocal cord efficiency into a real-world phrase. I want you to say, I can feel it now, with intention. I can feel it now. Now sing it on a strong pitch. We'll choose a G3, using your new coordination. I can feel it now. All right, now try sustaining the word feel for 3 seconds. Support from your breath, keep your buzz in your face, and a bit of twang for the ring. I can feel it now. Now we're going to supercharge your vocal efficiency with a modern secret weapon. Straw phonation. I want you to grab a straw and a glass of water like this. Now place the straw in the water and blow bubbles while phonating, making a sound on oo. Keep your sound supported and make a steady stream of bubbles. Now here's a quick tip. If you put too much water in the glass, you're going to end up wearing it. So try it with me. Blow into the straw and sustain a pitch like this. This is called a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. It creates back pressure that helps your vocal cords close more efficiently while relaxing throat tension. Now do this for 3 to 5 minutes a day and you'll start feeling power come from resonance and efficiency and not strain. You can use straw phonation to supercharge vocal exercises. I'm going to show you that right now during the power workout. As promised, here is your 10-minute daily power workout. If you want this as a downloadable MP3, click on the link below to get access. Now, I attempted to do all of this in one take, holding the glass and straw while playing the piano, and I failed miserably. So I pre-recorded the workout so I can follow along with you. This is the MP3 that you can download if you want it. Here we go. G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach, and this is the quick vocal power workout. The 5 exercises in this daily routine will activate your breath support and help you develop a strong, resonant voice without strain, force, or excess effort. Exercise 1. Breath support using appoggio. Inhale for 4 seconds through your nose, feeling your ribs and stomach expand, and then exhale on 4 short tss sounds to engage your diaphragm. Complete the exercise with a long tss to develop breath management. Relax and don't let your ribs and chest collapse. Let's go. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Tss, 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 tss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Let's do it 2 more times. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Tss, 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 tss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last time. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Tss, 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 tss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, grab your water and straw. Let's supercharge this workout. Exercise 2, chest voice power. We are going to sing a ga over a 1-3-5-3-1 pattern in combination with straw phonation. I'm going to play each note pattern twice. Use your straw for the first round and the ga on the repeat. By incorporating the straw phonation, we are developing chord closure and muscle memory. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ga, 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 ga. 3, 4. Ga, 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 ga. 2, 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 3, 4. Ga, 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 ga. Exercise 3. Twang. This exercise develops brightness and focus in your voice. We will sing the nya on a descending 5-3-1 pattern in combination with straw phonation to build strength and power. Remember to support your voice with expanded ribs during the exercise. 2, 3, 4. Nya, nya, nya. 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 Last one. Nya, nya, nya. Exercise 4. The Singers Formant. This exercise builds on exercise 3 using an NG to a vowel, the R vowel, to improve forward placement and brightness. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Exercise 5, the power phrase. Let's put it all together with a power phrase. Your goal is to sing with correct support, resonance, and vocal cord efficiency to develop a powerful voice. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I can feel it now. 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 3, 4. I can feel it now. Do this 5 times a week and you will hear and feel the difference in your voice. You can grab your free vocal workout in the description below. It's designed to get your voice strong, supported, and firing in 10 minutes flat. And which of these 5 exercises gave you the biggest breakthrough? Drop it in the comments below. Remember, power comes from coordination, not from force. Let's keep building your voice together. If you notice some power gains with your voice, but you don't like how it sounds, watch this video next to improve your vocal tone.